Well, hello YouTube, Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft back out in the backyard. Today it is time to practice my bow drill fire making skills. I want you to stay tuned. All right, friends, this is what we have. I have a piece of leather fire to catch the ember underneath the motherboard or hearth board. This is cedar. I got a fat wood bearing block, cedar spindle, and my broken bow that I fixed a while back with some string. It's still working great. And pine needle bird's nest. Let's see if we can do it. All right, let's set the bird nest over there. We'll put the piece of leather there. Hearth board there. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put my right knee back, my left foot forward. I want the board directly under the arch of my foot. Let's load the spindle, give it a go. You know what? I don't like that noise. Let's make a new hole up on the fatwood bearing block. We got room right here. Let's go ahead and start a divot here. I don't like that squeaking, screeching noise. Very unprofessional. See if we can get something started right here. Let's see if that little tiny divot will work. Okay, here we are. Back on the set. Got that new divot for the bearing block. Now I know if there's any squeaking, it's not dragging up on the bearing block, it's down on the board, which is okay. Let's warm it up. Start to see a little bit of smoke, and we'll go for it. Starting to see a little bit of smoke. I got an itch on my nose. Let me get that. We'll go right back to it. Alright, I'm seeing smoke, which is a good sign. Let's tap this dust out of there. We'll let that coalesce a little bit. Remember, with this cedar, It's very, very powdery. And you can lose your ember real easy. With this cedar, but it's easy to practice with. Ladies, I want you ladies to practice out in the backyard. Take this video, use it as a little tutorial. We'll go ahead and transfer the ember like so. Let's reposition the camera. I'm not gonna cut it. It's gonna be a little bit of a bumpy ride. I'm gonna reposition the camera so we can get closer to the fire pit. Once this goes to flame, we'll throw it in the fire pit. Remember, it doesn't count unless it goes to flame. Hold on. Okay. Kept the camera on for the reposition. Alright, we got to keep our skills up, friends. Got to keep our bow drill skills up. I got a bunch of green leaves from the yard. I need to burn those up. Alright, there you have it. I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. Before you leave, please consider subscribing. Bang that bell icon in the drop down menu, select all, friends. Give the video a like. And I appreciate everything you do for the channel, all your likes, all your views, all your shares. Most importantly, I love all your comments. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're practicing your bow drill skills. Ladies, let me know if you're out there practicing. Leave me a comment. Please, please don't depart from the faith, and give your life to Christ, friends. Do it today. Don't wait. He died for you on the cross. Loves you very much. Do it today. Don't wait. You don't have to get cleaned up. Come as you are. All right. As always, God is good. God is great. I'll see y'all on the next video. Already got a date.